Hello, and welcome to the Dakota Riverbend camping tutorial for the new Dakota camp system. In this video, we're going to go over the new systems in the DRB. What kind of camps can you build? Who can build them? Where can you build them? And what features each camp provides. Stick around because it's time to create. Howdy everyone, I'm Austin BMX with DRB Studios, coming at you with another DRB video. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. If you're going to like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on games, tech, and coding. In New Dakota, we have made it simple for every citizen to own and maintain their own camp in county. Today we're going to be going over exactly what you need to know for the basics for this new system. First, let's go over the new 6 types of camps offered in the county. We have group camps, both large and small. Personal camps, also both large and small. We have member camps for inside groups. And we also have wilderness camps. Group camps offer upgradable features that are shared across all members of the camp, while personal camps offer different allotted features for the individual camper. Member camps allow you to join and build within a group camp setting. And the final type is the wilderness camp. This type is more modular and allows for more flexibility, allowing you to place a tent and fire almost anywhere while in the wilderness, but has very limited features. Who can build camps? Well, practically anybody can. Every citizen character in New Dakota is allotted to build a camp, but only allowed to have one group camp across all their character slots. Your other characters will need to either hold a member camp attached to another group or a personal camp. Where can I build camps? Anywhere. Well, almost anywhere. Of course, in towns, blocking a road on the map, or on any registered property is a no-go. But the Red Dead world is pretty big, and there's a lot of open land out there. Of course, there are some limitations you must follow. Camp areas have been reduced for most camp types. You are still limited to 350 meters between a large group camp and another large group camp. But 2 small personal camps can be as close as 100 meters apart. We will have a detailed list on screen at the end of this video with all the barriers and other needed information. These limitations are to ensure there is still ample open space around the county. Also, each character can be a member of up to 2 group camps at the same time, but are still only limited to placing down 1 camp of their own. There are many scenarios on how this can be figured. You can have your own group camp or personal camp and still be a member of 2 other camps to get the shared features, but you can't build there. You can be a member of a group camp and place a member camp there so you're allowed to build, but also still be a member of a second group camp and have access to their shared features. Or an even more complicated situation, you could have been added to a group, placed a member camp so you can build there, then removed from that group. Now you can build here and only here, but you don't have access to the shared features. But you could still be added to 2 other groups to get their shared features. You get the idea, I hope, right? What features can I have? Well, I'm glad you asked. Group camps have many features, including the ability to have up to 9 other members to allow group building and access to shared features. As well, they can change the camp's name, set up a Discord webhook to get notified of camp activities. Personal camps also have access to upgradable features at a reduced rate because they're not shareable, as well as they already come with a wardrobe, and the large camp comes with storage included. Member camps have the ability to build and add to the camp structure, as well as get access to all the shared features while at camp. Every camper is allowed the ability to place a set number of items of their choice at the campsite depending on their permit level. The camp permit holder has the ability to purchase camp upgrades that allow all members to use and access. These include currently wardrobe, storage, shared cache box, and telegram station. More upgrades are being worked on for future updates. How do you get started? Well, it's quite easy. Make your way over to Gus's Outfitter store around the map, including places like Strawberry, Lymphony, or even the showroom in Saint Denis, but many more are available. Purchase your camp permit of your choice. Once purchased, you will also be able to check the permit's accessibility in the menu before you place it. Be sure of your placement, as yes, you can pick up your camp and move it, but you'll need another permit to do this. While you're at Gus's, you can pick up things like tents, chairs, tables, fences, hitching posts, furniture, or even some premium items like a chef station or blacksmith's forge, or other job-specific aids. You may also find some new wilderness camp items being sold by our good old friend Crips around the county as well, so take a look. Once you find your ideal spot and use your camp permit to place your camp, you're all set to start building and enjoying your camp. Placing and adjusting items has never been so easy, with both keyboard and mouse and full controller support. Plus, the ability to hold for fast movement or tap for minute adjustments. You can get your items exactly where you want them, but don't worry if an item ends up not quite right. Just go back to your camp manage menu, select it, and you can easily reposition any item of your liking quick and effortlessly. Once you have set up your camp, you can then go into your camp manage options and add members, view and delete members, rename your camp, add a webhook, and buy camp upgrades. For group camps, to set a webhook, you will need to go to your integration tab in your Discord server and say add webhook. You can customize this however you like and then copy the newly created webhook URL. When ready, you will click on the webhook option in the camp menu, and this will give you a 5-minute window to enter the new webhook URL in the text box using command /webhook. Currently, we offer 4 premium camp upgrades you can purchase and allow members of your camp to have access to. The wardrobe and the telegrams will access your player's personal systems, while the storage and cache box is a shared system that currently only accessible by authorized members of a group camp. We hope that this short tutorial helps you to understand the new camping system, its requirements and features. More additions and systems will be coming in the near future. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on games, tech, and coding. I'm Austin BMX with DRB Studios, bringing ideas to life. Hope to see you again soon, but until then, keep on creating.